Hi everyone, I'm here to lead you through an instructional tutorial and review over this new to me technology called Prodigy. Prodigy is a math game basically that educators can use to engage their students in math review. Math can be daunting to students of any age, so it's important to make it fun and engaging from a young age. So I'll be describing this to you as theoretically for my first grade class. The game format motivates students to keep going and improving, just like a video game. So right now on my screen, you're looking at my student roster. For my class, I'm going to be able to receive updates and view how my students are doing. This is my class code. When I fill out my student's name and email on this roster, then it'll produce a student list that gives my students usernames and passwords, and then they also utilize the class code that's listed right here to access my class's Prodigy. When they log into Prodigy, it'll look about like this. So for me, the purpose of Prodigy in my class would be for free time math review, because it begins at the one grade below where your students are at, and then your students will work upwards to determine where your student's grade level on Prodigy math would be. So they'll click login, and this is also accessible at home to bridge the gap between school and home learning, but when you're at school, you'll select school, and then they can go ahead and begin playing. They get to create their own character. It's super fun, very, very similar to a video game. The ISTE standards that I believe Prodigy covers are 3.1.D, cultivate responsible online behavior, including the safe, ethical, and legal use of technology, because we all know that there is just a plethora of digital online games that might not be healthy for children to be using, but Prodigy Math is able to help teach children the safe, ethical, and legal use of technology. And then 3.3.C, inspire a culture of innovation and collaboration that allows the time and space to explore and experiment with digital tools. So I hope you give Prodigy Math a try. I know I will in the future as well. Thank you.